Welcome back. This is day 16 of the 30-day meditation challenge. Today we're going to try a science-backed breathing exercise and turn it into a meditation. So research tells us that something called extended exhale breathing helps to dial back our stress response. When you are stressed and overwhelmed, your sympathetic nervous system has kicked in. The sympathetic nervous system is your body's stress response. Science tells us that if we use a breathing exercise in which we inhale and then extend our exhale, so the exhale is longer than the inhale, and we do that for just 2 minutes, that cools off or turns down the stress response. All right, friends, settle in, get comfortable, close your eyes, and here we go. I'm going to ask you to inhale to the count of 4 and then exhale to the count of 6. That will ensure that we're extending our exhale. And here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 minutes. Continue on your own for another 3 minutes of silent meditation, or continue counting at your own pace, your own rhythm and cadence, just making sure the exhale is longer than the inhale. In a couple of minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll wrap up the meditation. Okay, good job. Good job. Now let's slowly begin to bring ourselves out of this brief meditation. Take your time here. You might want to take a nice deep breath and begin bringing your awareness back into the room, becoming aware of your surroundings. And when you feel ready, open your eyes and just pause for a few seconds here. Notice how you're feeling. I wish we could have a little debrief chat after each one of these so I could hear about how that went for you, what's working for you, and what's not. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.